Hi children, how are you? You have learnt about domestic and wild animals. Today I will teach you about sea animals. I am Aditi Miss. Sea animals. The animals lives in sea. Which animal is this? This is a jellyfish. What is the color of jellyfish? It is pink. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Now which animal is this? This is turtle. 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 Turtle lives in sea and land both. This is which animal? This is starfish. STAR star FISH fish. Starfish. Starfish has many colors. Next is which animal? This is an octopus. Octopus has how many legs? Do you know? Octopus has 8 legs. Count. Yes. Octopus also lives in sea. This is a shark. Which animal? Shark. 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 There are many species of shark. They live under the sea. Which animal is this? This is called manta ray or stingray. This is called stingray or manta ray. It has long tail. It is also live in sea. Which animal is this? You know, I know you know. This is shrimp or prawn. SHRIMP. Shrimp. This has many sizes. This is seahorse. Something like horse and living in sea. So it is seahorse. Now next, which animal is this? Yes, this is crab. What is spelling? CRAB. Crab. Crab has also many sizes. It lives in the sea. This is which animal? This is called clam. Clam has pearl inside. You can see pearl inside the clam. What is spelling? CLAM. Clam. Now this is seal. Which animal? Seal. Spelling SEAL. Seal. You have seen seal? This is shell. I think you know all. Which animal? Yes, this is whale. Blue whale is the largest water animal. Blue whale. 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 This is a what? Fish. 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 Fish has many colors, many sizes and different variety. Living in sea. This is which animal? Dolphin. 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 Dolphin is friend with humans. They can obey humans' order. Now this is which animal? This is squid. What is the spelling? SQUID. Squid. What is the color? Orange. Again review all the animals. Which animal? Jellyfish. Now next, which animal is this? Turtle. 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 Now which animal is coming? Let's see. Yes, this is starfish. Starfish. Now let's wait for next animal. Octopus. Octopus. Which animal is coming now? Shark. 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 Waiting for next animal. Manta ray or stingray. Next is which animal? Shrimp. 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 Next animal is seahorse. Seahorse. Next is crab. 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 Which animal is coming next? Clam. 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 Next, wait for the next. Seal. 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 Next, let's see which animal is coming. Yes, it is whale. 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 Waiting for next. Which animal? Fish. 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 Next is dolphin. 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 Now we will see names of sea animals in alphabetical orders. A for anemone. B for blue tang. C for clamfish. D for dolphin. E for eel. F for flounder. G for goldfish. H for hermit crab. I for isopod. J for jellyfish. K for krill. L for lobster. M for monate. N for narwhal. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for queen conch. R for ray, stingray. S for shark. T for turtle. U for urchin. V for viper fish. W for whale. X for X-ray fish. You can see inside. Y for yellow box fish. Box shape. Z for zebra shark. Let's match the animals with their shadow. Yellow color. Which animal shadow is this? Is it dolphin? No, not matching. Next, which is coming? It is stingray or manta ray. It is matching? Oh no, it's not matching. Now which animal? Oh, it's crocodile. Oh, it is also not matching. No. Now, which animal is coming? Yes, it is shark. See the teeth. Yes, it is matching. Very good. It is a shark. See, shark is swimming in the sea. It's a very dangerous animal. Shark. Shark. You can see. Now, again we will match with color, green color. What is this? Crab. Oh no, it's not crab shadow. Next, stingray or manta ray. No, it is also not matching. No. Now, squid. Squid shadow. No. Oh no. Next is which animal is coming? Yes, it is coming octopus. Yes, it is matched. Yes, it is an octopus. See, octopus under the sea. How he is swimming under the sea. Look. Now this is which color? Purple. And which animal shadow is this? Yes, lobster is coming. It is matching. No. Gone. Next is crab. Crab is matching. No, crab is not matching. Crocodile, it is matching. No, crocodile also not matching. Now it is coming. Which animal? Walrus. See the teeth. Yes, it is walrus. See the walrus. Walrus can live in water and land both. See the big teeth of walrus. Now next is which color? Orange. And which animal shadow? It is dolphin? No, it is not dolphin. Next, which animal is coming? Again stingray? No, it is not shadow of stingray. Next is coming which animal? It is seal. No, it is seal shadow? No. Now next. Yes, this is a turtle. It is matching with this. Yes, this is turtle, sea turtle. Look how sea turtle is swimming under the water. It lives in water and also on land. Now which color is coming? Blue. And you have to match the shadow. It's octopus shadow? No. Now which animal came? It's a whale. Whale is matching with the shadow. Oh no, it's not matching. Then comes crocodile. Crocodile is matching? No. So which animal shadow is this? Yes, it is shadow of stingray or manta ray. This is stingray. Look how it is swimming under the sea. It has long tail. Stingray has long tail. See? Wow. So children, what is our national aquatic animal? Do you know? Do you want to know what is the national aquatic animal of India? If someone asks you which animal is the aquatic animal of India, then you say the river dolphin. See the river dolphin. See the color, see the shape. If that person asks you why this animal is chosen as the national aquatic animal, then what will you say? It lives only pure water in rivers. It is living in rivers only, not. It is the river dolphin. Very rare. See, he is big. In the past, it is in the Ganga Brahmaputra rivers. It is more in India and Bangladesh. See, it is swimming in water, but now it is in Ganga river only. See, this is our national aquatic animal. It is the rare type of animal in India. So for that it becomes the national aquatic animal. It eats fish. You want to play a game of matching? Okay, let's start. See the outlines. Which animal can be? Yes, this is a crab. Which animal can be? Can you guess? It is a jellyfish. Now which animal is this? Can you guess? Yes, it is dolphin. Next, which animal has 8 legs? Can you guess? Yes, this is an octopus. Now we will see dolphin fun facts and information. See, dolphin is playing with water, jumping. Dolphins are very intelligent and they seem to be well loved by humans. See, playing with human. They are very entertaining due to the leaps that they make out of the water. Some of them leap up to 30 feet in the air as they are very entertaining due to the leaps that they make out of the water. Some of the leap up to 30 feet. So they in the air they can leap up to 30 feet. They are known for their agility and playful behavior, making them a favorite of wildlife watchers. See dolphins under the sea. They are curious, form strong bonds within their pod, and they have been known to help humans in a variety of circumstances, including rescue and with fishing. See dolphins. Dolphins do not drink water like we do because most of the water they swim in is salt water. Look, dolphin is in sea water. So, sea water is salty. They are found worldwide mostly in shallow seas of the continental shelves and are carnivorous, mostly eating fish and squid. Which animals are eating fish? It's called carnivorous. Dolphins have very good vision and they are able to see what is around them both in the water and when they are above the surface of it. The dolphin can see in water also or when they are out from water. Even though dolphins have 100 teeth, they don't use them for eating. They do use them to get the fish though and then they swallow them. Dolphin do not chew fishes, they swallow their food. The smallest dolphins are about 4 feet long, with the longest being 30 feet long. A group of dolphins is called a pod. Group of dolphin is called a pod. Let's make a dolphin crown. Do you? See, this is dolphin crown. How will you make? I will show you. Take a paper and draw dolphin on that paper and draw water. Then color the dolphin. Which is the color of dolphin? It is blue. Blue color. So fill the dolphin with blue color. Then color the water. Then what will you do? Then you have to cut. You will cut from down. Then you will cut the waters. 3 lines of water. You cut the waters. Then you will cut the dolphin in dolphin shape. See? But very carefully you have to cut, because you can cut your finger when cutting, so you have to be very careful. Then take a stapler, staple two pieces of paper, then again roll it and staple the other side. Your crown is ready. This is dolphin crown. You can make at home. You can tell your parent to draw a dolphin, then make a crown. Okay, children? Let's revise again the names of sea animals. Let's go. We will see animals. Let's go. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Jellyfish. What's this? Jellyfish. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Stingray. Repeat with me. Stingray. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Whale shark. Whale shark. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Blue tang fish. Blue tang fish. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Dolphins. Dolphins. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Turtle. Turtle. Mummy, mummy, what's this? This is butterfly fish. Butterfly fish. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Shrimp. Shrimp. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Great white shark. Great white shark. Mummy, mummy, what's this? It is lobster. Lobster. Mummy, mummy, what's this? This is penguin. Repeat. Penguin. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Giant clam. Giant clam. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Lionfish. This is lionfish. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Seahorse. Seahorse. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Urchin. Urchin. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Spider crab. Spider crab. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Starfish. Starfish. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Octopus. Octopus. Mummy, mummy, what's this? Crab. Crab. Now we will talk about seahorse. Seahorse don't have scales but bony plates covered in skin. Seahorses are classified in the genus Hippocampus, which means something along the lines of horsey sea monster. Seahorses generally live between 45 north and south latitude. Look, different kinds of seahorses. The different color of seahorses. They can change their color also. See different color of seahorses. Seahorses rarely live more than 200 feet 61 meter below the ocean's surface. Seahorses don't have tail fins, but they do have dorsal, anal and pectoral fins. Some seahorses can even change their body shape to blend in. Seahorses don't even have teeth. A baby seahorse may eat more than 3,000 baby brine shrimps in one day. A seahorse's brood pouch is similar to that of a marsupial like a kangaroo or wombat. Depending on the size of the seahorses, they may have hundreds of eggs. Seahorses mates will perform dances and making clicking sounds for one another each morning to reform their bonds before going about their daily business. In larger seahorses species, the gestation process may take a little longer than a month. Let's meet the octopus. Octopus live in the oceans but are abundant in warm tropical waters. Octopus famous for their rounded bodies, bulging eyes and 8 long arms. Octopus likes to eat crabs, shrimps and lobsters. They sails, whales and large fish prey on them. Octopus shoots an inky fluid that darkens the water, confusing the other animals. Changes color to grey, brown, pink, blue or green to blend in with surroundings. Weight 6 to 20 12 speed 25 mph, length 12 to 36 inch. This fish is the largest in the sea. They have been around for more than 400 million years. These are some info that might help you to love the sharks. Sharks facts you want to know? These are over 500 species of shark. 143 of these are under threat. 2. Sharks are apex predators, may have several rows of teeth and can lose and replace thousands teeth in the lifetimes as predators. Sharks, they can vary dramatically in size, from the smallest dwarf lantern sharks about the size of a human hand and to the largest which can be up to 12 meters long. Sharks live in most ocean habitats. They can be found in beautiful tropical coral reefs to the deep sea and even under the Arctic sea ice. They can be weird and wonderful. Global in sharks can be bright pink color, and hammerhead sharks have hammer-shaped heads which they have been known to use to pin stingrays against the sea floor. Most sharks are cold-blooded. For most sharks, their body temperature is cold, like the temperature of the water they swim in. But unlike most sharks, great white sharks are partially warm-blooded. From basking sharks to blue sharks and even Greenland sharks, the basking shark is Britain's largest fish and the second largest in the world. It can grow up to 11 meters long and weigh up to 7 tons. Sharks have a sixth sense. All sharks have a sixth sense that helps them hone in prey during the final phase of attack. The ampulle of fluorescence are found on shark snouts and can sense the electric fields. They have been around for a long time. Sharks have been around for over 400 million years, long before dinosaurs, because their skeletons are made of cartilage. Click our nose. They are under threat. Many sharks are accidentally caught in fishing gear as well as caught deliberately for their fins. Their ocean home is also in danger. Children, I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.